हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सब पढ़ेंगे स्पीच ऑन रक्षा बंधन फेस्टिवल। रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू all of you. Today I am going to speak a few words about a beautiful Indian festival, Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates the strong bond of love and protection between brothers and sisters. It is celebrated every year on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan. On this day, sisters tie a Rakhi, a sacred thread, on their brothers' wrists. They pray for their brothers' happiness, health, and long life. In return, brothers promise to protect their sisters and give them gifts. But Raksha Bandhan is not just about gifts and sweets. It is about trust, care, and lifelong support. The Rakhi is a symbol of pure love and protection. In modern times, Raksha Bandhan is also celebrated among cousins, friends, and even between sisters and sisters, which shows that this festival goes beyond just traditional roles. It is a celebration of togetherness and emotional bonding. This festival teaches us the values of love, responsibility, and unity in our families and in society. In conclusion, Raksha Bandhan is a festival that reminds us how important our loved ones are. We should respect their and cherish all our relationships with love and care. थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद। तो ये है स्पीच ऑन रक्षा बंधन फेस्टिवल्स। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।